This creature can survive temperatures colder than outer space, and it's smaller than a grain of sand. Meet the tardigrade. Also known as the water bear, this microscopic marvel is found everywhere, from icy mountain peaks to the deepest ocean trenches. Measuring less than half a millimeter, it's almost invisible, but possesses astonishing survival abilities. When faced with temperatures as low as minus 272 degrees Celsius, the tardigrade undergoes a dramatic transformation. It expels nearly all the water from its body, shuts down its metabolism, and curls into a compact, barrel-shaped form known as the tune state. In this state, the tardigrade slows life to a near standstill, ready to withstand even the harshest freeze. Inside the tun, unique survival tools go to work. The disisup protein forms a protective shield around the tardigrade's DNA, reducing damage from stress and radiation. Trehalose, a special sugar, creates a glass-like coating that stabilizes cells and prevents deadly ice crystals from forming. Even if DNA is harmed by freezing or radiation, the tardigrade can repair it upon rehydration. These adaptations allow tardigrades to survive not just freezing cold, but also outer space, boiling heat, deep sea pressure, and intense radiation. In experiments, tardigrades have returned alive after exposure to space. As we slowly zoom out from this microscopic survivor, one thing is clear: the world of the tardigrade holds secrets that could one day help humans explore environments we've only dreamed of. Tiny Fact Studiox.